And there you go. Canning Road is actually not called Canning Road anymore. It's called the Madhavrao Sindhia Marg. So we've now taken a turn towards India Gate, and in the next few minutes we will reach India Gate. But I don't think that's gonna happen in this video because it's already a little too long, I believe. This road that we are now walking on and which will eventually take us to India Gate, it's called Copernicus Marg. And wow, look at that. This still looks a bit like mini Kerala. But yeah, Copernicus Marg is a road dedicated to the famous Polish polymath and astronomer and mathematician Nicholas Copernicus.